This is a 4-month update on my red light therapy. I've been using my red light device 6 days a week for almost 4 months now, so I wanted to give an update. I bought this device for my skin because it has so many benefits for skin, and I'm really happy with what's happening. I think it's helping to fade some of my sun damage, the dark spots. It's also taking care of that sallow color that we can sometimes get as we age, also from sun damage. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I'm seeing some softening of lines, but it's hard to say that it's from the light because I do face yoga and I had started some very shallow home microneedling, so it's hard to say what exactly is from what. But what I have to talk about at this point in the process is hair. I did not buy the light for any kind of hair growth benefits, but I am noticing a lot of hair growth. Hair on my head is more thick and full, and it is not falling out like it normally does. My hair is usually all over the house. When I take a shower, I have a handful of hair. And I just took a shower this morning and I only had one little squiggly piece of hair fall out. So it's pretty amazing. And I mentioned at the 2-month point that I noticed eyelash growth, and now my brows are also growing. I have not had to pluck my eyebrows my entire adult life. They were just stuck how they were. And now I'm actually having to pluck stray hairs. And this brow was especially skimpy and it's starting to fill out a little. I still have to use brow filler, but I'm really happy about it. I would say the downside is that the hair on my legs is also growing. Let's see, when I was about, I don't know, late 40s or early 50s, the hair on my legs kind of stopped growing and I didn't have to shave that much and I loved it. And now I have to shave regularly again. But I will take it if I'm going to have thicker, fuller hair on my head and better lashes and brows. I have a Mito Pro device and I bought it myself with my own money. But since then, they have given me a discount code and link in case any of you want to take advantage of that. So let me know if you have any questions or if you want the link. And I hope this has been helpful if you've been thinking about getting a red light.